Bonjour. Today we will look at exactly one topic. This is Notation Scientifique. It's there on page 12 of your book, page 12 here. And this will be a very short video. I know I've said that before in other videos and the video has turned out to be long, but this is really going to be short. Indeed, it will be so short that I'll give you some problems from the chapter to do, and that assignment will be graded. Okay, so notation scientifique, in English it's called scientific notation, is a way of writing a number, is a specific way of writing a number, and that is called scientific notation or notation scientifique. I'll read it out in French to you. The text here is more complicated than it actually need be. So, la notation scientifique de nombre décimal différent de zéro. So that means any decimal number which is not zero est la seule écriture de la forme a fois 10 à la puissance n, où a est un nombre décimal écrit avec un seul chiffre autre que 0 avant la virgule, n est un nombre entier relatif. So I've copied part of it here. So notation scientifique is a way of writing any number, and each number can only be written in one way in scientific notation. There cannot be a number only has one way of writing it in scientific notation. There are not two or more ways for every number. We will see that very shortly. So this is the form of the number in scientific notation A, where A is a nombre décimal avec un seul chiffre autre que 0 avant la virgule. So A can be 1 point something, 2 point something, 3 point something, 4 point something, 5 point something, 6 point something, 7 point something, 8 point something, 9 point something, but not 0 point something. It also cannot be 2 digits before the decimal. So it cannot be 12 point something or 33 point something or 5000.0. No, it only has to have one digit seul chiffre other than 0 avant la virgule. That means 1 to 9 is the value A can take with the number. It can be 1.678 or 1.234, or it could be 6.70, or it could be just 6, which is also a nombre décimal, but only one digit before the virgule here, into 10 to the power n, where n is a nombre entier relatif. Means entier relatif means it's either positive or negative, but it's an integer, it's a whole number. So let's take, so if I went 23.4578, this is a number, you can write it as 2.34578 into 10 to the power 1. If you multiply this number by 10 to the power 1, which is 10, you'll get this number. So the scientific notation of this number is this whole thing. And you see only one digit before the decimal, and that digit is not 0. Let's take 0.623. So here this becomes 6.23 into 10 to the power minus 1. You see what you have done here? You have moved the comma one digit to the left, so you have increased this by 1. Here you have moved the comma one digit to the right, so you have decreased this by 1. Here you're multiplying this by 10 here to get this, so you have to somewhere divide by 10 also, which is this. 10 to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 over 10, which is 6.23 divided by 10. Here you are dividing this by 10 to get this, so somewhere you have to multiply by 10 to keep the number the same, and that is what you're doing here. This is multiplied by 10. Let's take another example. 4500 is equal to 4.5 into 10 to the power 3. This is the scientific notation of this. So you've already understood how to go about it. I don't need to give any other example. But if I was to write here 45 into 10 to the power 2, this is also correct. 45 into 10 to the power 2 is the same as this. 45 into 100 is 4500, but this is not scientific notation. I'm writing, I can't write and hold the pen at the same time and hold down the paper with my same hand. So this is the thing. This is the only way to write this number in scientific notation. Why is this not scientific notation? Because there are 2 digits here before the decimal. So you can only have 1 digit, that is 4.5. We'll take another couple of examples. So let's take 1200.67, 1200.67. So here we are moving the digit 3 places to the left to get 1.20067. 3 digits to the left, so you have to multiply it by 10 to the power 3. And then we'll take one very small number, 0.0000606. So this is 6.06 into 10 to the power minus 6, because you have to multiply it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 to the power 10 to change it to this number. So you have to multiply by 10 to the power minus 6 to get the same number. So this is the only way, this is the only scientific notation for this number. This is the only scientific notation for this number. You can read about it here. It starts there, it ends there. Don't read about or the grandeur, the norm. This will be in the next video we'll do this. So you can take the 2 examples here. They've explained that. And also you can read this worked out problem. Here they explain how to do it, and here they give you the solution itself. And here they have, on this is page 13 by the way, here they have all these problems. Take a few of them at random and try to do them, because if you want, because if you have not understood, because these are in yellow, red numbers in yellow. So these are answers at the back of the book, back of this book, page 200 something. So you can actually see how they've solved this, or at least the answers. Okay, so does it work with negative numbers also? I haven't written a negative number, but suppose I had minus 0.0123. This will be minus 1.23 into 10 to the power. What would be there? So here I move the decimal 2 places to the right. So here I have to multiply by the opposite, that is 10 to the power minus 2. So the minus sign doesn't make a difference. This is also scientific notation, because all it said was it was 1 digit normed decimal avec un seul chiffre, and this is normed decimal can be positive or negative. Okay, so this is the way of doing scientific notation. As it says, a number of in science this notation is used, and here on page 11 they have given a very interesting example. Here, notation scientifique de nombre décimal. So this is cellule humaine, that is human cell, is 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 meters. Bacteria the Salmonella bacteria, length is this much. Yellow fever virus is this size. You can see how small it is, 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 meters. Tetanus bacillus is this much. Staphylococcus is diameter is this much. Red blood cell is this much. Flu virus is this size. So here they have given you numbers which are not in scientific notation, and this problem actually asks you to convert them into scientific notation. Don't do number 3, Lord de Grandeur, that we will discuss later. And again, this one will have the solution at the back of the book if you are so inclined. Of course, if I say here, if I give you a number 1.23, What is its scientific notation? Well, its scientific notation is just 1.23 into 10 to the power. This is already in this form, one digit before the decimal. Then what will you put there? 10 to the power 0, because you didn't move the decimal, and 10 to the power 0 is anyway equal to 1. So this whole thing, this is the scientific notation for just 1.23. Or if I have 0.123, then I will get minus 1.23, because here I multiplied by 10 to get it into this form. Here I'll get 10 to the power minus 1. Okay, so every number has only one way of writing it in scientific notation. Okay, so now 11 minutes into the video, I will stop here. I will post this video. I will give you a few problems to do from the book, and now I don't have to take photos. I just have to tell you page number and problem numbers. Just remember that this chapter actually started with règle de calcul sur les puissances, and which we had done in chapter 6 of the previous book in detail. So this is a thing to help you remember how to a into m into a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Similarly, all of these relations you've done. I've proven these to you in the videos for chapter 6 of the last book. And so some of these problems will deal with manipulating powers. I mean, we have done this, these sort of problems. 10 into 10 is equal to 10 to the power what? 10 to the power 5. If you have 5 2's here and 7 2's here, it's 2 to the power 14, 2 to the power 12, 5 plus 7, 12. So all of these you have done. I'll give you a few problems from here. It will be child's play for you. Okay, I stop here.